Unlock a powerful money transfer combination by learning how to receive PayPal payments directly through Remitly. While PayPal and Remitly don't directly link for incoming PayPal payments to Remitly, we'll explore the effective workarounds that allow you to leverage both platforms for seamless transactions. The core strategy involves withdrawing your PayPal funds to a linked bank account first. So, Step 1, log into your PayPal account and navigate to your wallet or bank options. Here, you'll need to add the bank account where you want to receive your funds. This is usually the same bank account you'll eventually use with Remitly. Once your bank account is verified, initiate a withdrawal from PayPal, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that withdrawal times can vary depending on your region and PayPal's processing speeds. Now, switch over to your Remitly app if you haven't already. You'll need to add the same bank account you just linked with PayPal to your Remitly profile for sending funds. With your bank account linked in Remitly, you can now use it to send money to yourself or someone else in this scenario. You're essentially using your bank account as the bridge between PayPal and the funds you want to access via Remitly. This method might seem like an extra step, but it effectively consolidates your PayPal earnings, making them available for Remitly's efficient and often cost-effective international money transfers. By following these steps, you can efficiently channel funds from your PayPal account through your bank and out to where you need them using Remitly. For more money transfer guides, be sure to subscribe.